Hi there, everyone out there in computer land, wherever you're watching this. I want to make a video on how to master Zoom and be the king of Zoom. And the last thing I'll do is tell you how to do this with a snap filter. But I wanted to show you how to go from Zoom to Facebook Live, how to change the background, and how to you can use Snapchat filters like this. So first, let's go to how you go to Facebook Live on a Zoom. So let's pull up. When you go to Zoom, you're probably, I've got Zoom up here. This is some previous meetings. What you've got to do is go in and change one setting. And once you change that one setting, you can go from Zoom to Facebook Live anytime. So what you're going to do is go into, what we want to do is go into admin, user management. Let's go to advanced, in meeting, advanced. You're going to click on in meeting. You're going to go down here to allow live stream meetings. So you're going to click on that. Turn on to allow live stream meetings. And you can live stream to Facebook, Workplace, Facebook, YouTube, but mainly Facebook is the one that people want to do. So once you've done that, now you can go and do a meeting. Now, once you've changed that setting, now you have these three little dots over here, right? You can click on these three little dots and go live on Facebook. And then you just follow the directions on that. I'm not actually going to do it right now, but before you, if you don't go change that setting, these little dots do not appear over here. So changing background. All right, so now we want to talk about, we talked about how you go to Facebook Live. You'll just click on here, go live on Facebook, and it'll connect to your Facebook, and you'll have to say, like your normal Facebook Live. Now I want to talk about changing backgrounds for Zoom meetings. Obviously, with all the coronavirus and all that stuff, everything's going virtual now, and Zoom seems to be the meeting place of choice. I think I was on 8 different Zoom meetings last weekend. And I'm sponsoring classes and stuff. But anyway, if you're going to be on Zoom meetings, or you're going to go into real estate offices or anything like that, or whatever other Zoom meeting you happen to do, if you want to brand and have a cool background, this video is for you. So let me kind of start off. The way you change your background is and you're probably not able to see this on here, but you go down at the bottom left corner, you got a microphone and a camera. You click on that little up arrow to camera, and it says choose virtual background. And I'm not sure if this is going to record on here. It's probably just showing me here, but you've got virtual background, and if you've had some other ones, there's a little plus sign that you can choose the backgrounds that you want. And what I did was I put them all into a folder. So let me show you a couple of backgrounds that I have made, and I'll show you how I did that as well. So let's go to screen share here, and you can see here's my folder with all my backgrounds. So let's share that one. Yeah, so and I have some videos. Those are some videos. So I just did like a purple one here. So I put my logo and Certified Master Inspector. What you're going to do is have a thumbnail picture. This background is a 16 by 9 or 1920 by 1080. And I'm going to show you an easy way to do this. I just want to show you some ideas of what you can do. This one's kind of cool here. Let's see. So yeah, I did all these. This is the one we have right now. You can do a wood background. It's kind of cool, virtual background, sort of a mountain deal. Sky scene. It's kind of like a purple football skin there. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking with that one, but anyway, this is kind of a cool background. Any background you can get that's a 16 by 9, you can do this on Canva. And I'll show you how to do it. It's really, really easy. Oh, that's actually a painting. I painted that. I do a little bit of art. I've got a couple of other ones. This is a downtown Charlotte. I think this one might be a video. And I have a couple of drone videos of downtown Charlotte because that's where I am. That's actually a video. Oh yeah, here we go. So you can see the moving screen. You can get drone footage or really cool footage. See, that's the other thing. You can have a video. That's what this fish tank is in the back. If you go to videoblocks.com, they pretty much have drone footage of every major city or time lapses, and that would be a cool thing to have in the background while you are having a meeting. Go back to that other. This one's kind of cool too. Watch, kind of fun. So I made a whole bunch, put them in a folder, and there's just some plain ones. Just whatever. I may change them while I'm in the meeting. You can do that real easily. So how do I do that? Well, let's go back to Canva and let me show you. Canva is fantastic. I love Canva. It's just sort of a little kind of a Photoshop-ish. It's a website. The free thing, you can do a lot of stuff. I actually just have a free account. I will gladly pay. So let me share that one. Sorry. So this is canva.com. And basically, like, these are all my designs that I've had. So you'll see some things I've been doing. There's some of those backgrounds. That's a new one I did with waterfalls. And a lot of the other stuff I do video thumbnails, stuff like that for my videos, just all kinds of stuff. But let's go back to home because I want to show you how you guys can make a cool virtual background for your Zoom. They actually have a category for that. So what you'll do is, so you got Instagram post, Facebook post. I'm just scrolling down. It's actually a category. Poster, social media, Instagram stories. Love Canva. I can't say enough good things about Canva. Zoom virtual backgrounds. And you're going to see where I got this one. So here we go. You can use any of the backgrounds they've got, or you can bring in your own photo. And I'll show you how to do that in just a second. They got some pretty cool ones here. So let's use this one, like that one, tropical background, right? So with Canva, and again, this is 16 by 9 or 1920 by 1080. It's the same as like if you did your camera sideways. That's the ratio right there. All right, so these are the backgrounds. So what you're going to do on Canva, photos, elements, my text could go there. I'm going to go to upload, so you can upload things. So I've got my logo here, and those are some other paintings and stuff. There's my logo here. But just so I can show you how to do it, what I would do if I were you is upload your logo. Let me see what my logo is here. Downloads. Wait 1 second here. Sorry. All my logos are 1200. All right, so here's all my logos. So let's say for this background, I want that logo. So I'm going to upload that, and you'll see it uploading here on the left. It'll take just a second. And we're going to squeeze it over here. Now, remember, this is 16 by 9. When you're in the thing, your head's going to be here in the middle. You basically have room on both sides to put some sort of logo or signage. So however you want to do it. I don't know why this thing's taking so long. While it's going on that one, I'm going to go ahead and pull up my Certified Master Inspector, because I like to put that on one side. So grab these corners down, and tighten it down. What you want to do is go online if you're a Certified Master Inspector and grab that Certified Master Inspector logo, and you want the PNG without the background, because otherwise that'll be like a white square, which would be okay, but it's not quite as good. Here's another little trick I learned. When this virtual thing shows, it's kind of going to crop that off. So I learned kind of to pull it down. I want it on both sides, but pull it down a little bit because it'll get cropped off. All right, let's go back and see if that thing uploaded. There we go. So Yeah, hold on. So don't really want to do that. I want to get in there so I can grab these handlebars and size it down, right? So I'll put that in that corner. Let's pull that down. Let's pull that down. My head will be right there. So voila, you've got a virtual background. We're going to go on Canva and download it. So you've got your choice of you can be PNG or JPEG. They recommend PNG, so we're going to prepare that design, bring it down, and I'm going to switch to that one on this video. All right. So let's go back. We just made that background, and you can make as many as you want, and you can upload your own photos. See, I've uploaded, these are some paintings that I did. I've got paintings as backgrounds. You can upload videos, like I said, drone footage. There's a painting I did of Charlotte. Well, I need to make that. I'm not sure I have that one, but you know, just all kinds of things. So I wanted to show you. Okay, so we just made this background, right? Let's see how it looks. So I'm going to go to switch my backgrounds, go to choose virtual background, and let's see how this looks. Now, it's not going to be as fun as this one because this one's a video. Let's go to downloads. There we go. Hey, and there's our logo that we just created, our background. So there we go. If you want to make other people in the meeting jealous because they think you're at some tropical location, there you go. Hello, all my friends out there in Facebook land. I found something that was kind of cool that I thought you might would like to do. You can up your Zoom game since we're all doing virtual meetings now. You know, we're all finding ourselves on a lot of Zoom. I found out something that you can do that is really cool that I thought I would share with you guys. You can do Snapchat filters on your Zoom. So this is the fish one. Let me try, I can be a banana. So I'm like, hey, what's going on, guys? How y'all doing tonight? Let's try, I can be a dancing avocado. What's going on? How y'all doing? But you can do all kinds of things. You know, everything that you could do in Zoom. You could be a troll character. You could be potato head. You could be a piece of bacon. Here, I'm going to be a piece of bacon. Hey guys, what's going on? Let me show you what to do here and how to do a Snapchat filter on your Zoom meeting. So what you do is, let me go back to let me get something I can work with here. Hang on a second. Let's go with I want to get back to my funny ones. Hold on one second, sorry. Let's go, well, we'll just stick with the bacon. So you might ask, well, how do I do this? How do you do Snapchat filters on my Zoom meeting? Well, I'll show you. Let me share the screen here. What you want to do if you want to do this is you can do this on any Zoom meeting. Go to snapcamera.snapchat.com. Snapcamera.snapchat.com. And what you're going to do is download, and it's just, you know, make sure your computer has the juice or whatever, and you've agreed to the privacy policy, and you have to put your email in. Here, I'll put another one. 1@gmail.com. And I'm not a robot, and then you would download it for either Mac or PC. So I'm PC, and after it downloads, see mine's over here on the right, this is an exe file. You're going to click on that and it's going to unload unload. I'm not sure if that's the right word, but it'll execute. So what you'll do to do this is when you go into Zoom, well, you go into your, this thing will open up. Let me show you. So you'll have these, that you open this up first, and you can switch around. Let me find something. I can be this thing here. You're going to open this up first, and then you're going to go into your Zoom. I really don't want to be the super emoji. Go back. All right, go back to the main. The trolls, the potato head. My favorite actually is the underwater thing. All right, so I can actually see my eyes. So you click on this first and open this up, and then you're going to go into your Zoom meeting. Let me go back to Zoom. And once you get into your Zoom meeting, go down to the bottom left corner, and where you have the microphone and the camera. Click on the arrow beside the camera, and you're going to have a choice now that you've installed this Snapchat thing. It's going to say Snap Camera, and that's what you're going to choose. And then you can change out your face filter, your thing. I don't know how appropriate this might be for a business meeting, but it would certainly make it more fun. So again, if you want to do Snapchat filters on your Zoom meetings, go to, what's that? Hang on one second, let me pull it back up. You want to go to, the website is snapcamera.snapchat.com, snapcamera.snapchat.com. You're going to download it downloads a file, and you're going to install it, and then you open that up first, go into your Zoom meeting, and on the Zoom thing, click the little arrow and go to your Snap Camera, and from there you can change the face filters. Like I can change, let's go to I don't know, have antlers in my head or something there, so you could do that. They actually have the trolls. Let me see what that is. Trolls. I haven't really seen the movie, but apparently you can be one of the troll characters. This is one of the troll characters. What's up? What's up? How y'all doing? I haven't really seen the trolls. This one looks interesting. Wow, that's kind of cool. But anyway, have some fun with it. Snapchat, snapcamera.snapchat.com. And you can be the king of Zoom meetings. Let me go back to my meeting here. Oh, wait. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful. If you really want to up your Snapchat Zoom game, thank you guys for watching. Message me if you want to know how. Since we got to be on a bunch of Zoom meetings, I've been watching a lot of stuff about Zoom and trying to figure out every little trick you can do. All right, guys, thanks a lot.